Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ubersuggest to validate niches for monetization. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Ubersuggest website URL. Hit enter to navigate to the site. Once the Ubersuggest homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. If you already have an account, click on login instead. Fill in the required details, such as your email and password. After entering your information, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Ubersuggest. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once your account is verified, return to the Ubersuggest website. Log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will see the Ubersuggest dashboard. To validate niches, enter a niche keyword in the search bar. Next, select the country you want to analyze. Click on the search button to get results for your niche keyword. Review the keyword overview that Ubersuggest provides. Pay attention to search volume, SEO difficulty, and paid difficulty. Scroll down to see additional data such as related keywords. Analyze the trends over time for your chosen niche. Take note of the top ranking pages for your keyword. Review their backlinks and organic traffic data. Ubersuggest also offers content ideas based on your keyword. Explore these content ideas for potential monetization strategies. Bookmark any valuable insights or data you want to refer back to. Continuously revisit Ubersuggest to stay updated on keyword trends. Make adjustments to your strategies based on the data you collect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.